What will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute? For a month, plank every day and observe what happens to your body. I'm sure you've heard it all before. Planking is a full-body workout that can completely transform your body in less than 5 minutes per day. Well, if you are not, I've definitely heard it all before, so I finally decided to tell you about it. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. So, what happens if you plank for 1 minute every day? Bodyweight exercises have recently gained popularity in the fitness world due to their simplicity and practicality in allowing you to get in shape using only your own body weight. For starters, planks are a type of bodyweight exercise that never gets old. This exercise is ideal for those who lead a busy life and find it difficult to go to the gym due to time constraints. Doing a plank every day, even for a minute, helps strengthen your entire core. So without further ado, let's get you to the benefits. 1. It tones you up. If you want to have your dream body, you have to do this 30 days challenge. For the first week, plank for at least 20 seconds on the first 2 days, then 30 seconds on days 3 and 4, and 40 seconds on day 5, making sure to rest your body on day 6. I'm not going to lie, it will feel pretty good by the end of week 1. Planking every day will lift your mood and give you an energy boost. Similarly, on days 7 and 8 hold, your plank for 4 to 5 seconds, then comes 1-minute plank for 3 days in a row. It doesn't end here, you have to do it for 90 seconds for day 12. Then rest. Continue increasing your time till the last day, which is day 30th. You need to strictly follow the rules of this 30 days challenge and wait patiently for the results. Eventually, you'll find that you're losing extra inches around your waist. 2. You'll feel much stronger and healthier. Planks work out all of your core muscles. While many people think of the core as just the abdominal muscles, it is much more complex, encompassing everything from the hips to the shoulders. The rectus abdominis, internal obliques, external obliques, and transverse abdominis are the 4 primary abdominal muscle groups, as well as the upper back, lower back, chest, shoulders, quads, glutes, and calves. To keep your body in place and maintain proper form, all of these muscles must contract and work together. As a result, you'll have more core strength, which will benefit you in your daily life as well as in other athletic endeavors. This becomes even more apparent when you go beyond the basic forearm plank and incorporate other plank variations to mix things up and target your core from various angles. It is also a great news for ladies because planking also boosts gains in your booty. 3. Are you familiar with your isometric strength? It's important to remember that the basic plank exercise is an isometric or static exercise. Unlike many other traditional isotonic exercises, such as pull-ups, push-ups, squats, and even crunches, the plank and other isometric exercises involve muscle contraction without movement. All of the involved muscle groups contract and hold at a precise joint angle or body position. 4. Your abs need this exercise. Most people associate ab exercises with strengthening the six-pack muscles, also known as the rectus abdominis, the internal and external obliques, the muscles that wrap around your abdomen and help with trunk flexion, compression, and rotation, and the deep transverse abdominis that are the muscles that wrap around your abdomen and help with trunk flexion, compression, and rotation, are among the abdominal muscles that make up the show me muscles. 5. You'll get an improved posture. Planks have a significant impact on your posture and can help you improve it. A strong posture comes with a slew of fantastic advantages. It keeps your bones and joints in the proper alignment, which means that not only will your bones and joints be better maintained, but your muscles' overall effectiveness will be improved as well. Your back or spine will be in the correct position if you have good posture, so you will have less back pain, significantly reducing the risk of back and spinal column injury when exercising. When done correctly, planking strengthens your back muscles without putting too much pressure on your hips and spine. As a result, it helps relieve back pain while also promoting good posture when sitting and walking. Above all, someone with good posture appears to be healthier and more confident in general. 6. It stimulates your metabolism. Planking is an excellent way to challenge your entire body because it burns more calories than traditional abdominal exercises like crunches or sit-ups when done on a daily basis. Because the core muscles you strengthen by doing this exercise on a daily basis are some of the largest muscles in the body, they will help you burn more energy even when you are sedentary. If you spend the majority of your day in front of a computer, this is especially important. Making it a daily home exercise before or after work will not only improve your metabolic rate, but will also ensure that it stays high throughout the day. 7. It changes your mood and approach to life. Plank exercises have a special effect on our nerves, making them a great way to lift our spirits. This works because they stretch out the muscle groups that contribute to the body's stress and tension. Assume you spend the entire day in your chair, whether at home or at work. Your thigh muscles tighten, your legs become heavy from being bent for several hours, and tension builds in your shoulders from having to slump forward all day. All of these situations put a strain on the muscles and nerves. The good news is that planks can help with anxiety and depression symptoms, in addition to calming your brain. However, only if you incorporate it into your daily routine. 8. It makes you confident. Never underestimate the power of strength training if you're looking for a way to beat the blues and feel better about yourself. While most people associate strength training with a full-fledged weight room routine, which it can be, it's important to remember that a daily plank session is also a form of strength training. While it won't give you the same results as a more strenuous workout, it's ideal for when you're low on energy or motivation, and it might be all you need for a mental health boost and all you're capable of. 9. It maintains your equilibrium. Have you ever felt like you couldn't stand up straight for more than a few seconds when standing on one leg? It's not so much that you're clumsy as it is that your abdominal muscles aren't strong enough to keep you balanced. Many people believe that balance is primarily determined by the legs, but the majority of the work is done by your core, which keeps you stable and upright. You can improve your balance and performance in any fitness activity by doing side planks and planks with extensions to improve your balance. 10. More ability to flex. Planks increase flexibility by stretching all of your posterior muscle groups, including your shoulders, shoulder blades, and collarbone, as well as your hamstrings, arches of your feet, and toes. You can also work on your oblique muscles by adding side planks to the mix. This will give you even more advantages when it comes to hyperextending your toes, a crucial movement for supporting your body's weight. 11. Everyday planks could help you improve your athletic performance. The important thing to remember about the muscular system is that it is all connected. The kinetic chain is a term used to describe this process. Even isolation exercises, such as biceps curls and triceps kickbacks, necessitate the recruitment and stabilization of core muscles in order to isolate the targeted muscle group. However, one of the core's primary functions is to assist the upper and lower bodies in coordinating their actions. 12. Planking can improve your running time. Running is an excellent example of an activity that requires a strong core and efficient power transfer between the upper and lower halves. To create an efficient arm swing while running, your shoulders must engage, and the arm swing must be coordinated with your leg swing, which originates from the hips. What's the link between the shoulders and the hips? All of your core muscles. We hope you liked the video. If so, hit the like button and share it with your loved ones. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. See you in the next video.